Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday and it's the 21st of July 2020. For today's video or lesson is we are going to move on the last unit of a book. So I want you to get your book, your learner's book, science learner's book, and open it to page 60, 60, 60, 60, page 60. See that? All right. So the title of this topic is about the earth and the sun. The earth and the sun. So for this page, today we're just focusing on this page, right? And for your assignment, you are going to find the meaning of spin, night, day. So you're going to just find three words. First, spin, night, and day. So if you don't know where to find it, you can just use at the very back of your book and then you will see the word definitions, right? So just look for spins, night, and day. So here, if you have your book, so you can read along with me, okay? Day and night. Light from the sun comes to earth. Some of the earth is in the light, but some of the earth is in the dark. So when it's daytime, it's bright, right? There's light. But if it's nighttime, it's really dark, right? We see the sun during daytime, and we see the moon during nighttime. We know from our previous lesson, previous topic, that moon is not a source of light, right? It just the light from the sun reflect to the moon, and so at night we can see at night because of the moon. But actually, moon is not a source of light, right? Remember that. The earth spins, so all parts of the earth have time in the light and the time in the dark. We call these times day and night. Right, so next time, in order for us to really understand this, teacher will find videos that will show you how the earth rotates around around the sun, right? It's not the sun that rotates to the earth. It is the earth that goes around the sun. So that is why some parts of the country, like in America, we are like 12 hours ahead, right? Yes, or just like here in the Philippines, compared to Thailand and Cambodia, we are 1 hour ahead. So for today, if it's, let's say, for example, if it's 8 here in Cambodia, 8 in the morning, in the Philippines, it's 7 in the morning, right? Because the earth turns around, revolves around the, the sun, right? That would be all for today, and don't forget to do your homework to find the meaning of the word spin, night, and day. You can also open your book, learner's book, to page 60 so you can read and see what teacher is talking here, right? Thank you so much and enjoy your Tuesday. Goodbye. And here's your star. I almost forgot your star. Yay! Bye bye.